Hi everyone, welcome back. Every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, I talk about mindfulness, meditation, and some insights from my life. What is mindfulness? It's the ability to come in the present moment effortlessly, while there are a lot of activities, sounds, actions going on all around you. But at the same time, you have this ability to culture your mind to come back to the moment again and again and again. And one of the biggest reasons for burnout these days is because we are unable to bring our mind to the present moment or switch off and switch on from a particular situation. The more we start culturing the mind and organize its shift of energies, that you have to invest this much of your energy in this particular situation, and then you switch off and you have to move on. uh, that's the trick. And all those tricks start becoming things in motion when you are actually doing mindful living or practicing some techniques like meditation. And even if you're not doing meditation or any mindful techniques, there are some tricks you can keep in mind. So whenever you are in a stressful situation, and a lot of thoughts suddenly come up, the first thing to do is just to observe your breath. It's the easiest and the closest thing which you can observe at that time. And you'll notice, there is some sort of discomfort in your breathing pattern, or the way you are, the body temperature would go up, or there might be some palpitation which might happen. These are all ways of your own body is trying to release stress. Start observing these sensations in the body. The more you are aware of these sensations, the second would be to start doing some grounding techniques. Some people start singing songs or start dancing, or will start doing their favorite hobby at the time when they are really stressed out. So those are techniques basically to make you come back from that thought bubble, which might make you get caught up in that particular situation. So just latch on to those techniques. What is that grounding technique in your life, which can make you more aware and make you be here and now, to take life and that situation as is, and not from the way you want to perceive that situation. Because our mind is obviously blinded by our own perception, thoughts, values, belief system. So it's very, very important to kind of pause and then assess, what our reaction to that situation should. So next time you're caught in a situation, just check your breath, do some grounding exercises, and just see, is your mind in the present moment? Pause, just take that time for yourself. We keep talking about me time. Me time is not all the time, that you have to do some activity or go on a trip or read a book or do something. It is just basically withdrawing your senses from that particular situation for some time, for you to process your reaction towards it later on. Rather than reacting, maybe we might respond. And these are things which I am also trying to practice in life. Not that there is always this thing about that I am not reacting and always responding. I am reacting, but I'm very aware of that I have reacted in particular situations. So there is a sense of awareness. And as long as I think we are aware about our reactions, and we are taking all those learnings from our own life, you are the creator of your own life. Your self-help book is inside you. You're writing it every day. So just to conclude today, I'll leave you here and I'll see you in the next episode. Till then, please subscribe to my channel, comment, like, share. Bye.